In the current terrible economic condition, 80% of our people are living in the poverty, unemployment state, lack of housing and medical care, and so surely 99% of the people of any community, be it Hindu, Muslim, Christian or Sikh, are good. And all praises are due to Allah alone, the creator and the sustainer of the universe. And countless blessings be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers and the seal of all prophets. Distinguished President of the program, honorable judges, respected teachers, and dear all. There was a time when people used to know nothing about the happenings in this world. As the time passed by, the things were discovered and new ideas and thoughts invented, the things like camera, satellite, microphone, machinery and many more technological wonders, etc. These things made life easy for every single individual living in this world. People now are being updated day by day and minutes by minutes through each and every news. Dear brothers, I came over here with the purpose of shedding some light on media. Today media is so vast and accessible that we just need to turn on radio or television by pressing a button and we get all the knowledge that we want. Or even just by searching on engines on the internet, we get each and every information regarding news like history, geography and new scientific research and study and all that. And a common example we have is Google.com. We can find each and everything and any kind of news and updates by just writing and one click afterward. And in a moment, we can see the news and information about that particular subject. Today, media is considered to be the fourth pillar of the state all over the world. First of all, the British Member of Parliament, Lord Macaulay, had given this status to the media. In any republican government system, there must be 3 administrative bodies that government can run systematically. But now, it is felt that one body more is necessary to be added to them, that is media. In short, what strength this part of democracy has? Remember the Delhi rap incident, what happened was unspeakable. But the role the media played there proves that this pillar of democracy can transform the incident of national shame into national justice by establishing confidence in institutions that have been created to protect the citizen of the country. We can look back at the Anna Hazare movement and also Egyptian revolution, etc. Talking about the duties and responsibilities of media, we have to say that it has become irresponsible nowadays. Situation is that media often try to twist the facts. For some years, it has started portraying non-issues as real issues. In the current terrible economic condition, 80% of our people are living in the poverty, unemployment state, lack of housing and medical care and so on. Instead of addressing these real issues, these media often try to divert the attention of people to non-issues, such as this actor's wife has become pregnant, whether she will give birth to a single child or to twins and all that. Are these real issues facing the nation? At a Lakme India Fashion Week event, there were 512 accredited journalists covering the event, in which models were displaying cotton garments, while the men and women who grew that cotton were killing themselves. At a distance of an hour's flight from Nagpur, nobody told that story except 1 or 2 locals. Dear brothers, bomb blast had taken place near the Delhi High Court, in Mumbai, Bangalore and other places. Within the minutes of such blasting, many channels started showing news items that said the Indian Mujahideen Harakatul Jihadul Islam had sent email or text messages claiming responsibilities. and by showing this on screen and next day in the leading newspapers. The purpose of airing such news is to create tendency to brand all Muslims as a terrorist and bomb throwers. The name of such alleged organization will always be Muslim ones. An email can be sent by any mischievous person. Dear brothers, surely 99% of the people of any community, be it Hindu, Muslim, Christian or Sikh, are good and peace-loving, but the intention behind showing on TV and publishing in the newspaper is to create the impression against a particular community. No channels and news agency bother to ascertain the matters. I will conclude here and say that the focus should be on basic problems which the country is currently facing, and aim must be to get over this transitional period as quickly as possible. Only then our country will be developed and sophisticated one. Thank you so much.